Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome back to Hmong Culture Camp's J series. Xibfwb Pachia. Today we will be learning how to do animal shapes using our hands. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So the first animal shape that we will be doing is Monolith. Does anyone know what a Monolith is? Monolith means deer. And so how to do the deer is you bring your hands forward. You're going to use 4 fingers and place it onto your head. These are the deer's antlers, okay? So the Monolith is with 4 fingers, okay? Like this. Monolith. Monolith. Next one is the wolf. Wolf in Hmong means ha. Can you guys say it with me? Ma. So to do the ma, you gotta bring your fingers like this. So you're gonna close your middle and ring finger and press it against your thumb. So the ma is gonna look like this. Does this look like a wolf to you guys? The ma. The third one we'll be doing is the bear. Bear in Hmong is called dai. Can you guys say it with me? Dai. Again, dai. Okay, so to do the bear, you gotta bring out your claws. Bears have huge paws and claws, right? So we're gonna take out our hand and just curl up your fingers and pretend that you're a bear like this. Okay, bear. The last one is the noog. Noog. Noog means bird. So can everyone say noog together with me? Ready? And noog. Again, noog. Okay, so for noogs we know that they have wings, right? So let's bring out our wings and flap. Flap. What do you think? What do you think?